I just want to say that it's like, some people think that certain people from certain backgrounds only play classical music, but anybody can play.
Just be open to learning a new musical instrument. You could enjoy it and you could look on classical music in a different way rather than just take on views from other people who believe that classical music should be experienced by one particular background.
If you learn classical music and you're musically educated in a kind of classical way, that it can open you up to more understanding and ability in terms of other genres if that's what you prefer to go into, and also it's almost inevitable that you'll find something within classical music that you will love.